Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 simple and cheap ways to clean your carpets or rugs at home without hiring a pro. So if you've had dirt stains from your shoes or food stains, or if you've had little accidents from your kids or pets running around, then you are covered because the tips that I'm going to share with you works like magic. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is to use a baby wipe. Yes, you heard it right, a baby wipe. If you have dirt stains scattered on your carpet or rug, then you can spot clean your carpet simply by using a baby wipe. Yes, that is right. Baby wipe is gentle, yet it has enough soapy content to wipe off that stain. I have 2 of such white rugs at home and 2 toddlers to mess around, but baby wipes are like my savior. Try it and you will see the result yourself. To clean the rug with a baby wipe, all you have to do is just take a baby wipe and start gently rubbing it onto the stain, and within minutes the stain would be gone. Now, just to make sure that there is no soap onto the carpet left, all I have done is I have taken a napkin, soaked it in hot water, and I have cleaned the rug with that napkin. And you can let it air dry, or you can use a hair dryer to dry your carpet fast. Tip number 2 is to use hot iron to steam clean your carpet or your rug. If your stain is too hard or harsh that wouldn't come off just with a BB wipe, then try this. Take 1 cup of hot water, add a 1/4 cup white vinegar and few drops of dishwashing liquid to it and saturate the stain with it. Now soak an old towel or rag in hot water and lay it on top of the stain. Next, set your clothes iron to medium heat and apply it to the towel, moving the iron over the stain for about 15 seconds. Be careful as using high heat may burn the carpet or the rug, so keep your iron moving and on low setting. Repeat this step until the stain has fully transferred from the carpet to the towel. Let the carpet dry naturally, or you can blow dry it to speed up the process. Tip number 3 is to get rid of bad odor from your carpet or your rug. All you have to do is sprinkle some baking soda generously on top of your rug and then leave it for 3 to 4 hours, or maybe overnight if you like, and then do vacuum on it first thing in the morning, and your carpet would be smelling fresh as new. Baking soda actually does not mask the odor, it actually absorbs it, so it works like magic. I hope you guys like all the tips that I shared with you today, and they really saved me a lot of money, and I hope the same for you. If you like these tips, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next cleaning hacks video. Until then, bye bye.